Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ibironke Olubamiche. Last week I spoke about biodiversity. I gave the definition of biodiversity and I gave a tip on how individuals can contribute to the management and prevention of biodiversity loss. Today, I'll talk more a little about the importance of biodiversity and the effect of loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity provides us with food. We get our food from biodiversity. The corn that we eat, the vegetables that we eat, they are all from biodiversity. Biodiversity is also the source of medicine. Most of the herbs that we consume, they are from biodiversity. The neem tree that some people use to treat malaria, saint's leaf, the bitter leaf, the oregano, all those leaves that we consume to prevent or to treat one form of disease or the other are all forms of biodiversity. Biodiversity also provides us with shelter. Many people cut down the trees to build houses, to build roofs of houses. It's also from biodiversity. Biodiversity also regulates the environment for us. I just give you an example. On a sunny day, it is very, very different when you stand directly under the sun or you stand under a tree that provides you with shade. The temperature is different. So these are some of the functions, important functions of biodiversity. And that is why losing them have grave consequences on life and living. So biodiversity loss is very, very important. Some of the effects of biodiversity loss include loss of food, as I mentioned before, the foods that we eat, plants and animals that we consume, when they are no longer there, it's a trouble for human beings. Also, agricultural practices. When trees are removed, the rainwater comes and wash away the topsoil, and thereby reducing the soil fertility and hence agricultural productivity. So biodiversity loss affects agricultural yield as well. And of course, when we don't have biodiversity again as food, as medicine, diseases will have a sway. And then we will not be able to address some of the diseases that we would have ordinarily used maybe some herbs to treat. And also the loss of biodiversity can even bring about new diseases that we may not have known about before. So erosion, flooding, drought, desertification, loss of animals and plants, they have grave consequences on our life and living that we can't afford to continue the way we live. That is exploiting natural resources without thinking about the effects of our interaction with them. So today I'll leave you with this. Each time you interact with a natural resource, ask yourself, am I contributing positively or negatively to the prevention of biodiversity loss? When you think about this, it will help us in the way we do so many things. How we uproot plants, how we cut down trees, how we use water without giving regards to the effects of this on the environment. Until I come your way again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, please click on the notification button for more information.